Hi guys, welcome back to another recipe video. Today I'm going to show you how to make the vegan smoked salmon recipe on our blog. This recipe uses carrots to simulate salmon and has a nice, salty, smoked seafood taste, and it makes a great snack or appetizer. First we'll take 2 carrots and wash them. Then peel the outer skin and use the wide slot on a grater to slice the carrots into strips. You can also use a knife to do this. Now, you can totally marinate these carrot strips raw, but what I like to do is just lightly steam them in the microwave or on the stovetop to soften them, which I find allows them to soak up the flavors better. So now we'll make the marinade, which will give these carrots a salmon taste. First, we'll rip up some nori seaweed paper. You can also use dulse flakes if you have those. Then we'll add some garlic powder, smoked paprika, onion powder, and either soy sauce, tamari, or coconut aminos. Then add a cup of water and stir well. Cover your bowl or container and let sit in the fridge for at least 3 hours, but preferably overnight for the best flavor. The next day you can strain off the liquid and add this delicious carrot salmon into salads, put it onto crackers, toast, or bagels. My personal favorite way to use this is on slices of toast with our vegan cream cheese recipe and a sprinkle of dill. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you'd like more healthy vegan recipes, you can visit our website for weight loss meal plans, our free starter guide, recipes, and articles. Thanks so much for tuning in today, guys. I hope you have a bright and happy day ahead, and I'll see you soon. Bye.